Hello Firebirds, I'm PK Hobby and I'm here with
Dan Finkhauser,
bringing you today's GP News from the library. Today is Friday, November 15th. Weather for today is partly cloudy. Current temperature is 57 degrees with a high of 82 degrees.
Today for lunch we're having oven fresh pizza, local carrot sticks, and fresh fruit.
In other GP news, it's Turkey Bowl time when from Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, the 18th and the 20th, the 19th and the 20th, during your specials time. What is it, you ask? You will be bowling a frozen turkey. 2 rolls for $1 or 12 rolls for $5 for a prize. If the person knocks down the most pins in each grade level will win a prize. Also, the class that raises the most money will win a class party.
The book fair was a huge success. We were able to provide 50 books to classroom teachers, from parents, and all from book donations. 7 to 8 books were taken from the fair for the library, as well as 55% of our fair total will come back to the library. Thank you all for supporting our library. See you in spring.
I would now like to welcome a special guest from Dystopia, the Game Master.
Welcome, contestants! Join me tomorrow at the maze at 7 p.m. to see 16 contestants fight to the death. And then again at 1 p.m. Saturday.
Isn't it today?
It'll be amazing.
Here's the joke of the day.
What football team travels with the most luggage? The Packers.
That's all we have for the announcements.
Have a fantastic Friday.
This is PK Hobby,
Dan Finkhauser.
signing out for GP News.